Hey guys, this is Josh from akabototheme.com. Today what we're going to do is a little bit of front-end customization as to the blog roll. So over here where you have your recent posts, all the images are on the left in every Akaboto blog, so they're very standardized and it all kind of looks the same. So what we're going to do today is continue to have internet problems. What we're going to do today is fix my internet. What we're going to do instead is we're going to insert a little bit of CSS that'll actually flip these, so every other one will be the opposite side. So you'll have an image on this side and then the image on this side. So basically it'll offset. It gives a little bit of customization and a little bit of coolness to your site versus everybody else's. So what we're going to do is grab the custom CSS. So again, I try to keep it pretty simple and I try to keep most everything to CSS when I can, or when it makes the most sense. So what we've done inside the CSS is basically looked for every single time the article card comes up, and then every other child, you're going to basically move the image to the right side instead of the default left. And then what we're going to do is give a little bit of padding on the text to make sure that it looks right all the time. So as you'll see, it's all along one side. What we do is we go to appearance, go to Akaboto settings, and what you do is scroll down 2/3 of the way to custom CSS. You'll paste in the code that I'll provide. It'll be in the description below, and it's on the post on akabototheme.com, which just basically has a header that lets you know what the code is doing and then the setup for it. So we'll go ahead and click update. And what you'll see is over here, when I refresh, oh look, so now your blog is starting to look a little bit more different from everybody else's, right? Gives you a little bit of standout versus everybody else who would be using Akaboto. So that one gives you a chance to kind of customize just the recent post section on the front. What I wanted to do was layer on one more, which I think kind of even makes it look a little bit more, which is to add a background to every other one also. So again, you go into Akaboto and Akaboto settings and down to custom CSS, and then you can add this other code that I'll put in there, which is basically following along with the horizontal change, but to add a background to the entire card. So when you update it, and inside this code is the CSS code is the color, so you can actually change your color to fit your scheme. When I refresh again now, what you'll see is every other one also is now highlighted in that color, which gives you a little bit more ability to start to customize how it looks like and what it feels like. And that way you can make the front page start to look less like default Akaboto that everybody else is running, and it starts to become your vision of what you would like on the front page for your site. So combined, I just wanted to kind of give you a way to update and how you can customize and look at changing the recent post section on the front. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. And if that includes other things that you're interested in recent posts, please leave it down there, because I'd love to make full-on customizations that are helpful for people. And then, as always, like and subscribe, and I'll try and make some more videos and get some more stuff up for you guys. And I'd be interested to hear back from you. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All right, bye.